So, hello guys, and welcome back to another video of Abandoned. Now, I haven't been able to see a whole bunch of abandoned cars lately, so since that, I'll just be doing a little abandoned episode on all this old crap down here. Not crap, but all this nice stuff. Whole bunch of old stuff, probably plus 60 years old. Not really, probably. Some of the stuff is kind of 60 years old. Got this little weird scooter type thing. There's like a million bicycles down here. Like this old bicycle right there. It's kind of nice. Another bits of bicycle. Just everything old down here. Old tires for vehicles. Whatever that stuff is, just a whole bunch of stuff. Just gonna be walking around through all this, seeing what we can find. Not gonna take anything since this is my grandma's house. Another old bike, destroyed. Big tree you walk across easily. Ain't gonna do that though. Walk on it a little bit. Actually, yeah, I am gonna walk it. Pretty big. Tires down there. Slide. Whole bunch of just kind of some toys down there. This little truck thing. Know that stuff is. Got a little wagon right there. That's nice. Little old red wagon, I'm guessing. I think that's a piece of a car. Tin. Whole bunch of tin and stuff. There's a little barbecue right here. Playground ladder. All sorts of stuff down here. Some random stuff. Tires for old cars again. Whatever this thing is. I think this is old, like one of those tractor toys. One of those old metal tractors, pedal tractors. It's kind of cool. More stuff over here. And there's a steering wheel right here for an old car. I'm gonna try and get this out. Pardon a second. I'm trying to get this old steering wheel out. Yeah, this is a steering wheel to an old car. I think it's a Buick or a Cadillac. Something to an old car. I don't know. Old car parts though. We got, I think that's like a bumper, something like that. I don't really know much of what all this stuff is. Pardon me a second. Got this thing on a tire. Whatever this stuff is, I don't actually know what all this crap is. All this good stuff, old stuff. Kind of cool. There's a car steering wheel down here. That's either a Buick or a Cadillac or something else. I don't know. If anyone can tell me what company makes this, what company that is, then that'd be nice. Thank you. So, guess we'll just kind of walk over here. More old bike parts. Tin. Sorts of that. Tires again. No idea what that is. I think that's one of those like old water pumping things. Something like that. So, more tires. Just a whole bunch of tires down here since we do like dirt car racing. We used to, and now we don't. So, we got this little old toy truck down here. A whole bunch of these parts, stuff. So, I guess that will be the end of this video. If you like watching these type of videos, Abandoned series, then Make sure to subscribe. And goodbye. I will be back with more videos soon. Goodbye.